Look what came in the mail today. This is a Golden Master Healer quartz crystal. They are amazing. This one is so powerful. Her energy is so clear and clean. I'm so excited to use her to do a healing for you right now, a mini healing session. She's ready to go. Golden healers are known for being able to heal on all levels, spiritual, emotional, mental, physical, and they are just channeling golden life force energy, and they are incredible. I'm sure you can feel her coming through the screen. If this landed on your page, this video is for you. This healing is for you. This crystal energy is for you. Okay, so to get started, take a few deep breaths. Picture your earth star chakras opening up. Picture your energy rooting down into the core of the earth. We are all spiritual beings having a very, very human experience. So root down into the earth, the planet that is sustaining us now as humans. Let her energy flow up into you, support you, hold you. At the same time, let your soul star chakra open up and picture just divine, beautiful, bright, white, golden light energy, love, just divine love and energy flowing down into you. And as this energy flows down through you, it is going to clean out anything out of your field that is not for your highest good, that's not yours, that's ready to be let go, that you don't need anymore. It's no longer serving you. All of this is going to be cleaned out of your field. I am declaring that this healing is for your highest good, your highest timeline, your greatest abundance, your greatest wealth, your highest frequency. I'm going to channel now Reiki and golden life force energy from the Golden Healer out to you. Take a few deep breaths. As this energy gets to you, it's going to clear your chakras. It's going to fill your field with just golden, beautiful light and love, just divine presence, energy, and being. It's going to fill you up so much that anything negative, anything that's not yours is just going to fall away. Easy. With the next deep breath, just release all of it. Just picture all of that falling away. Take one more minute. Feel the Reiki. Let the Golden Healer do her work. She's amazing. Take another deep breath. Drink in some more divine light. When you can feel your energy field just filled to the brim, filled with just golden, healing, bright, beautiful light, let your soul star chakra close up. At the same time, you can close your earth star chakras at the bottom of your feet. Thank Mother Earth. Take one more deep breath. I really hope this helps someone out there tonight, today, whenever you see this. And she sends you light and love, as do I. Have a good night.